Warriors of price action and guardians of fundamentals, welcome to Retailer Recon. It's time for the April Battlefield Report, your full monthly performance debrief, no fluff, no spin, just raw numbers. This report measures everything against the same baseline, 40,000 euros in net deposits or about $46,300 at the reference exchange rate. That is the demarcation line. No additional deposits, no withdrawals. The only question that matters is simple: how far above or below that line did we finish the month? My personal target is to grow the account by $1,000 per month or roughly 2% month over month. Let's see how April played out. As of April 26th, the account stands at approximately 46,000 euros or about $54,000 based on the current exchange rate. That includes unrealized gains and losses on open positions, because for most of the month I stay fully deployed and do not keep large cash reserves sitting idle. Year to date, the account is up 14.01% compared with the S&P 500 at 4.67%. So far, April has been a strong month overall, even though one major trade, Nike, turned into a serious train wreck and cost roughly $1,550. Still, the monthly target was beaten by a wide margin, so I'll call that tuition paid. Expensive, yes, but useful. Let's move into the trade results. On screen, you have the summary of all realized profit and loss for April 2026. One table shows the stock side and the other shows the option side. On the stock leg, realized losses came to $1,495, and almost all of that came from the Nike disaster. Side note, after that trade, I almost completely stopped trading stock positions directly. My thesis is now expressed mostly through options. On the options side, they did the heavy lifting. Realized options profit came to $1,995, which left me with a net realized April profit of $499. That is not massive in dollar terms, but it is still a positive month and the process stayed on track overall. The biggest lesson from April came from the Nike trade, not from the profitable ones. That trade reminded me that the position can look calm right up until it isn't. Sideways action, a neat technical setup, and decent premium can all make a trade look safe until earnings turn it into a proper battlefield. Here's the mission recap for April. The account finished the month well above the monthly growth target. Year-to-date performance remains ahead of the broader market. Options did the heavy lifting again, while the stock exposure produced the main damage. The Nike loss was painful, but it reinforced the importance of disciplined exits and defined risk. The objective for April was achieved: grow the account by at least $1,000 or 2% month over month. And with that, we close the April Battlefield Report. The account continued to grow, the monthly target was met, and the hard lessons from the month were clear. If you found value in this mission, lock in your support by liking, subscribing, and following our movement. Thanks for standing watch with me today, and until next time, trade smart, risk sharp, and stay on target.